Wanted to blend in, no self-expression, cause
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Now I'm putting an actual content on my channel after a long day. So today I'll be sharing my review about a foundation. I used to do so much review previously. So today I'm going to review the Milani Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer. Now I was trying very hard to get my hands on this foundation, but I was not able to find my perfect shade. But now I think this is the perfect shade which I got, which is perfect for dusky beauties. Also, I am using this product from last 1 month, so my review is completely ready to deliver to you guys. If you guys are watching me for the very first time, just hit the subscribe button below. Also press the notification bell beside that, and make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Now without further blabbering, just let's get started with today's review. Okay, so every time I now and then stumble in a gem in dark store, I need to tell about this product to you guys. So basically this product is like something very special. Like it's very special to me because I really love this product. Now let's move on to the product description, which I'm going to quickly read from the website. Now they say that conceal imperfections, removal your most radiant skin, combat your under eye circles, eliminate redness, other skin imperfections, as well as they come with 14 shades. Now move on to the shade range. They have 14 shades, but in India only 7 shades are available, like from 1 to 7. They actually previously left out all the dusky beauties out there, but after that they actually launched 2 more shades on like brown skin tone, like 11 and 12. So finally I picked up the shade 11 Amber, which is a perfect match for my skin tone. I'm NC44 in the like summertime and NC43 in the winter time, so if you are my skin tone, then you can just grab that shade. So now move on to the packaging. As you can see, it comes in a little glass bottle packaging, kind of looks like a Maybelline Fit Me foundation as well as the LA Girl Pro Matte foundation. And also it comes with a pump, which is a big thumbs up pump. Is quite decent, it works pretty well. All the description, expiry date and about the foundation and shade name is mentioned in the back of the packaging. So this foundation is retailed for 1400 rupees and you will be getting 30 ml of the products. Now if you can buy it on discount, like on sale, you will be getting a huge discount. Like I bought it for 1120 rupees. Move on to the consistency of this foundation. This is a really thick and creamy foundation. As you can see, it's super creamy and it blends like a butter, though it's very thick, but it's blend very easily onto the skin. And overall, as you can see that I have used beauty blender on one side of my face as well as the flat top kabuki brush on the other side of my face. Now after blending, you can see that the beauty blender is giving a more like natural finish, and if you want a very good finish and full coverage look, then go for the kabuki brush, because I can clearly see that the kabuki brush side is giving me a full coverage look. First of all, I'm mostly surprised with the coverage of this foundation, because this gives me a coverage like a very high-end foundation. Okay, so this says that it actually works as a concealer. It's actually pretty much true. It can totally cover up your dark circles, your redness and everything which were left on your face. Though it's a very high coverage foundation, but it feels really lightweight on the skin. It never feels so suffocating or anything on the skin, at least for my skin. Now also it's a high coverage, so that's why I will definitely suggest you to not to go for more than one pump. Otherwise it may be look cakey on the dry skin after 6 to 7 hours. Next thing is that this is a very good party wear foundation. Trust me guys, it never give any flashback in the flash photography, and that's the one thing which we really want, right? The finish of this foundation is not super matte, which actually flatten up your skin. It's not like that. It's like semi or demi matte kind of texture, and as well as it gives a little satiny finish. That's why it will like maintain that glow as well on your face. So it's a very semi matte finish foundation, so you need to set it with a like setting powder. I have a oily to combination skin and sometimes it becomes dry as well, so I always set this foundation with a translucent powder. And overall, I also want to mention that this foundation never exaggerate your fine lines, your pores, never feels too greasy or tacky on the skin. I'm also very surprised with the staying power of this product. Now it's clearly stays 8 to 9 hours easily on my skin, because I have oily to combination skin, as I mentioned before. I go to the indoor, I have actually do lot of work, I wear this foundation for the whole day, but it never smudged or budged. Overall, I'm really impressed with this foundation, which will actually not too much tight on the pocket. Like, it acts like a high-end products like of 3000 and 3500, but it only retail for 1400, right? And also it gives you the best in terms of coverage, in terms of blendability, in terms of smooth finish, and everything it has. I really didn't find any con of this product, rather than that it can be little patchy if you layer up 2 or 3 pumps of this foundation. So other than that, it's a good product to try. I will highly recommend this if you are searching a very good foundation in the range of 1000 to 1500. Go for the Milani 2-in-1 foundation. Also, my shade I have mentioned, it's 11, so it will be perfect for the dusky beauties as well. So yes, that's it for my detailed review about this foundation. I hope you guys find this review helpful. If you guys like it, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below if you have used this foundation, or if you want to know review of any other products in your mind. I will love to do it for you guys. So with that note, this is me, Devadita, signing off for the day. I will see you guys super duper soon with brand new video. Until next time, bye. Take care, stay happy and stay healthy.